Meaning of Highway Code.
Highway Code.
Highway Code.
Highway Code.
Highway Code. The Highway Code is a set of rules and guidelines designed to ensure road safety for all users in the United Kingdom. It covers a wide range of topics such as traffic signs, speed limits, and how to interact with other road users, including pedestrians and cyclists. The code also provides information on vehicle maintenance and what to do in case of an emergency. It is recommended for all road users, including drivers, motorcyclists, cyclists, and pedestrians, to follow the Highway Code to prevent accidents and promote safe and courteous behavior on the roads.